Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are looking for a way to fake skip the overlay in Ome TV, you have come to the right place. This simple trick can make your experience on the platform more enjoyable. Start by opening Ome TV in your web browser. This trick works best on desktop or laptop, so make sure you are not using the mobile application. Now press F12 on your keyboard to open the developer tools in your browser. This will allow you to inspect and modify elements on the Ome TV page. In the developer tools panel, use the element picker to find the overlay element on the page. So this element is responsible for displaying the "you have been skipped" message. And once you have found the overlay element, right-click on it and choose delete or hide element. This will remove the skip overlay, making it look like you haven't been skipped. And that is how you fake skip the overlay in Ome TV. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.